If you get this error message in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, which says connection failed with a reason TRAVIS-RILEA, then I will guide you on how to troubleshoot this problem. I have come to realize this issue is caused by a Steam server maintenance. As you can see, someone shared this on Reddit. As you can see, just got this too. He was facing this problem for connection failed with a reason TRAVIS-RILEA, and he shared that this is a server maintenance. As you see, Steam weekly maintenance. It's not a Call of Duty issue. You just got to wait out, unfortunately. So if you got this problem, you just need to wait like probably a few hours, and this issue will go away. So as you can see, a lot of people are suggesting it's a Steam is in server maintenance. So if you go to Black Ops 6, and a lot of people will suggest that this is a server maintenance. It's not a Call of Duty issue, and it's just will be fixed itself. You just need to wait. You can also monitor Black Ops 6. You can just monitor Steam server maintenance through the Down Detector website. So as you can see, Steam outages reported in the last 24 hours. There are some outages being reported. So you just need to wait, and this issue will be fixed itself.